In this segment, you will learn about end, corner, rise, and dip posts. You will learn how to install these posts by hand, or with the use of a hydraulic post driver. You'll also learn the proper size and depth needed to make your installation secure. Start with installation of all end, corner, dip, and rise posts, which should be wooden posts. End posts are used at gate openings or the end of your fence where buildings or other obstacles provide an existing boundary. Corner posts are set at corners. Dip and rise posts are set where there are major dips or rises in your terrain, requiring additional support for the tension of the high tensile wire. End, corner, dip, and rise posts will support the guide wire used to align the remaining line posts, so they must be installed first. You can either hand-set posts or use a hydraulic post driver. Installation will vary slightly depending on the method you choose. Driven posts require a tractor or truck-mounted hydraulic post driver. We recommend this method if possible, as it provides nearly 10 times the pull-out resistance of a handset post. You may choose to hire a local fence installer to set your posts, or rent the driver yourself. Proper operation and safety precautions should be mastered before using this potentially dangerous equipment. Pre-drilling a small pilot hole in the ground with a 4-inch rock auger can ease post driving in hard, rocky soil conditions. Driven posts always go into the ground small end first for the least amount of soil disruption and greater holding power. Offset posts from plumb about 2 to 3 inches. Offset away from the direction the wire will pull. This prevents the posts from pulling over center when tension is applied to the wires. You may also hand-set corner and end posts, but must take extra steps to prevent pullout. When hand-setting posts, the large end goes in the ground first for greater stability. First, dig an inverse bell shape at the base of the hole, making sure it is at least 42 inches deep. Place the post in the hole and tightly tamp about 8 inches of dry concrete mix around the bottom. Over time, the soil's moisture will cause the concrete mix to set up and securely anchor posts. You can add water to speed up the process. End and corner posts are at least 8 feet long and generally 6 inches in diameter. They should be buried at least 42 inches deep and set with a 2 to 3 inch preloaded lean. These will go at each fence corner and major dips or rises in the terrain.